Today I'm gonna share about verb conjugation. If personal pronoun is each, the unknown will be a. If personal pronoun is do, the unknown of the verb will be st. If personal pronoun is a, order, as order, z, the unknown of the verb will be t. If personal pronoun is via, the verb unknown will be an. If personal pronoun is ia, the verb unknown will be t. If personal pronoun is z or z, the verb unknown will be an. This is the basic form of verb conjugation. So let's go to next slide. I will show you the examples of about this verb conjugation. So for example, lernen. Lernen is like learning in English. Ich lerne Deutsch. This meaning is I learn German. So let's go to verb conjugation. So if the personal pronoun is ich, it will be the verb ending will be a. So ich lerne Deutsch. So for personal pronoun du, verb ending is st. So du lernst Deutsch. Er lernt Deutsch. Sie lernt Deutsch. Wir lernen Deutsch. Ihr lernt Deutsch. Sie lernen Deutsch. And again, Sie lernen Deutsch. You will see there are three different Sie. So for Sie lernt Deutsch is like, in English, it is like she, feminine pronoun. And for the last two Z, I will explain the last two Z again. Sie lernen Deutsch, Sie lernen Deutsch, English. And for the second Z, it is like they in English. So let me explain clearly again the three different types of Z. And then the first verb, the first Z, Sie lernt Deutsch is like Sie in feminine, and then the second Sie lernen Deutsch and Sie lernen Deutsch. For this two C, one of these C is they in English and another Z is you for me in English, because in German there are two different type of you. Komme, du kommst, sie kommt, wir kommen, ihr kommt, sie kommen. By this way, you can learn, you can memorize the verb conjugation. And then let's go to another slide. So in this slide, you can do your homework. Kennen, trinken, gehen, kaufen, leben, wohnen. And you can write these verbs in the comment section, and then I will check it again whether it is correct or not. So see you next video again. Thank you so much.